The upcoming Wiki Wacky Music Festival is being dedicated to the memory of Cat Core, and according to Kumar, will feature Third World. His private life was paraded in public. Then there was that scary car deal. But the DJ getting his act together with a new team and fresh focus.
Wasn't that long ago, Silk Boss spun onto the scene.
2021.
There were setbacks.
When I look back on certain things, I think I go wrong with the management aspect of my career coming up, where I should have used a person who more understandable of the dancehall fraternity and the dancehall music industry.
And his personal life splashed all over social media.
Back then, all of them things with my personal life, I was not the one who put it out there. The moment I turn an artist, everybody, main duty as fans, have to make your business for them business. So if you have 10 pitney and 500 baby mother around there, so dancehall fraternity want to know say Silk have 500 baby mother and 30 odd pitney around there. So all if me never tell them I go dig it up somewhere, somehow.
So you never put it out there, then who put it out there?
Really and truly, it was my baby mother, based off of how the communication between me and her did stay at one point. She thinks, say, yo, if she go to the media could have helped her to reach out to me. So when it go up on the media, it end up blow out of proportion. Me not shame of anything in my past. What I mean in my past, that mean in my past. Me not shame of it. You understand?
Doesn't make you even a little uncomfortable?
No.
And you can build on that?
Yeah.
How?
Because me have my kids, and once me looking at my baby, them yeah, I see the reason why I need to continue and focus. Can't make a woman stray my mentality. Eh? Remember, you know, woman are going to be woman, no father. You understand? You build them up from here, so put them up at the top of here, so, and then tomorrow morning you hear say it's a good for nothing, and you never do nothing for me. And so the woman them stay. So you as a man, your main duty have to be the better version of yourself, because if your mother go accept, if your girl accept, if your friend them accept, if your granny and your father go accept the better version of you, because no one likes the worst version of you.
Are you a likable person, or you want to project a more hardcore
Nobody
image?
never ate Silk. Silk loved by everyone. Everybody ate Brie.
Help me out here. What's the
Brie, I'm a baby mother, man. We give me 2 kids.
Boy, you're not letting Brie off the hook.
No.
You're still carrying feelings for Brie.
No, never.
Perfect body with a perfect smile.
Yeah, man, and I look over there, so man, I see me big, you know, pickers in there, so I go so and slap it. It sound like when I jump empty. So it sound.
Wow.
I must see what's thing funny, make it swallow.
People only care about who is hot right now.
Nobody not hotter than me. Leave me son not hotter than me. Saying, I one brown man, one Silk. Dancehall destined king. Me are the new king for dancehall. Them not have the style I have, them not have the vocals I have, them not have the sauce I have.
But if I go on the internet right now and look up who is hot in Jamaica right now, it's Asian, it's Valiant, it's Chronic Law. Those names are going to come up before Silk Boss's name comes up.
I care zero who and come up before, because at the end of the day, them not artists too. Them a put out good music too. You understand? And them have for them set of fans. So probably them should out a song at the moment, we're hotter than my song when I push out right now. But don't classify them hotter than me. Because for them name a buzz in the internet and Silk name a buzz. So basically, the whole of them on the same set of hotness. Them a tour and me a tour. So what them a say?
It's no comment on whether you're a good DJ or not. It's just that everybody has their moment, or you're getting back on track.
Father, really and truly, I never lose track still. Never lose track. I just did traumatized based off of certain situations.
A car deal gone wrong. The alleged perpetrators identified as Gulfside.
And I did have to take a time to deal with my trauma. I'm a G them and I did a par with, you understand? Bad mind me for my millions. Turn for me, you understand? Do what them do to me, publicize it on the internet. The fans them see it because it's viral.
Was it embarrassing?
Yeah, it did embarrassing, but it also helped my career also, because my biggest song I sing in my catalog, which is Sorry, came from the controversy with that incident.
If at 1 minute somebody is laughing at you, somebody is enjoying the fact that you are uncomfortable, how you come back from that?
I end up reason with the elder. The elder looked for me and said to me, say, you see what happened to you? It don't make sense you feel no way about it, you know, because you know the only artists get that. One heap a bigger artist than even before you and after you get boxed down and kicked down, and even worse than what you get is just that in a reach on the internet.
Did you feel at some point that this might sink my career?
No. My career starts with me and end with me. So my mindset end my career.
You never panicked at all?
No, I'm not panic. If I did panic, I could have find sorry. Father, a lot have happened over the years in the industry, and just know say the same silk for them did have a deal with and in this.
So you've toughened up?
I've been tough enough, Father, but I never really want to hurt people. You understand? As much as how I have certain power to do certain things, I don't believe that hurting people unfairly is fair. So that is why I stay so. You understand? But I realize that people will hurt me unfairly. So now I just not care about nobody's feelings again. My hottest song right now would be the song on DJ Mac rhythm, Pull Up. You understand that I YFL rhythm.
Killer just pull up in a base. Buck a girl, what's your name? Abigail.
What is it about the song that's going to make anybody pull up?
All right, I'll show you a thing now. It's sauce different. My sauce what I have now, my fans them never get it before. Cause I remember say everybody used to the calm, you understand, the therapeutic silk. You understand?
The smooth silk.
The smooth silk. But right now, I give them a more different version because really and truly, Anthony, a lot of things happen in the journey as a DJ, and it changed me as a person, and it also changed my mindset too. So you see the way I normally look at things, I don't look at things so again.
Still a dance, richer than Hillan. Take where your girl no silk, turn a villain.
The trap scene has been around for a while. Is it working still?
Father, really and truly, music industry is like the water cycle, you know? Condensation, precipitation, evaporation, all of them things, you see it? So it's all like a cycle. 1 minute the game, the over here, so a conscious music around the game. Next time a trap music, and then one other time now you see them start bring back some of my 90s dancehall and blend it with the new generation dancehall to come with a style. You understand? So the game is like a cycle, and it flips on many sides. So which side it flips on at the moment, you just have to know if you capitalize and be versatile.
If you could predict a particular direction for your generation and the music that they're putting out right now, where you think it's heading?
Father, really and truly, me is not the type of artist where I go discredit another artist's work because all of we are the music. You understand? Big up to all of the artists them same way. But one thing I'm going to say it again. One song can't run dancehall. So you see the mentality they want me see somehow no have no cut that. So all of who are chat, one song can't run a game. Enough of these artists right now, I say them a big artist, if you check them page, a one hit them have. One single hit.
How many hits you have?
Mankind, Sorry, Glock 17 Ambry, Geet, where I have 28 hit as a 24-year-old.
They on a cook in a kitchen. Feel a vibes like something missing.
Music will make fellas say they go know. But one thing me can tell you. You see when a man do a chop song, yeah, he go relatable, yes. But not everybody a chop and make the millions where you sing about. You understand? You see when you sing around here, so say you have 500 girl around here, so, and every man a girl is. But when you go so and say, "For me heart hurt me, yo dog, right now me say me need a surgery." Don't the bird in the sky feel that, cause every living thing in this world feel pain. So if you want everlasting songs, sing songs where can interact with people in a soul, them feelings.
So you want to be more vulnerable in your music?
Yeah.
It's nothing to run away from or be ashamed of?
No, I can't shame on my past. I only can use my past to fuel the gas in my car for drive on to my future.
What is it you want people to know about you?
Just look out for good music. You understand? And my personal life is my life. You understand? Not yours. Mine.
Breadfruit get covered when him see me. Scotch bonnet say ice on the village.
Is it harder to reach the audience that's listening to the kind of music you guys are putting out there because their attention span seems so short?
That is why I do therapeutic music. Things that interact with people's soul, because once it interact with your soul, you're not going to stop listening to it. Music give me life, so I sing until the day I'm dead, and if you think you're tough, I say the system have a place for dead.
So the journey from that silk boss to this silk boss was a tough journey?
Yeah, but it make me into a monster. But I like the monster, yeah. You not going to like it, you know, because you're not going to have your way anymore. But me like the mind, that's the monster, yeah, and the monster, yeah, man.
Were those words directed at Bree?
No, man. Not directed at nobody. Directed at everybody who believes say, them to walk over my legacy and try to tarnish my name in the road. The monster you will not deal with different. The monster you cold.
Oh, by the money chef that.
Too early perhaps to talk about legacy, but Silk Boss projecting an edgier image and standing tall despite stumbles earlier in his career.
To how I articulate myself towards the internet and while doing music, on an interview, on a stage platform, on any platform, I think say I'm more composed now than before.
Give me way, but I say mine a slide. I lean at the cupboard and I hide.